is up, YouTube? It's your boy Speedy46 coming to you with another video. You already know where we're at. We're in my garage, but we actually got a good one in store today. And we're actually gonna be taking the car to a photo shoot. So we're gonna be linking up with Damon. I'm pretty sure you guys know his car. He has a G37 boosted. You know, I got my GoPro here, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some, you know, cool action, some rolling shots, some point of views. I really liked how it came out in the last video, so we're gonna do it again. And this time I'm gonna try to do a better angle on the GoPro because one of my subscribers commented that I should try to get a better angle because the last time it was just showing on the roof. So I'm gonna try to do that a little bit better this time. I agree with him. I think it'll look cleaner. But yeah, go ahead and go get this thing going. All right, so I'm trying to play with the angle right now, you guys, and I don't know, it's kind of hard because my car, the windshield is short. So like in the 350Zs and all that stuff, you have a longer windshield. So it's kind of hard to not get the sun visor. So I apologize for that. So hopefully this comes out good. Make sure it's recording. Yep. But yeah, let's get into it. Entrance to the freeway and it's closed. Alright, that's annoying. Like speeding through intersections because you never know like what's like, is there gonna be a cop or whatever, someone's gonna turn in front of you. So I try not to speed through intersections. It's just like one of my rules. I've never been over here before in my life. That's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. Backfires are crazy, and believe it or not, I don't even have a crackle and pop map, or the burble map, whatever it's called. about to close my valves right now. Just because I know the area I'm in, and low-key, be a lot of cops around here. So I love this feature, you know what I'm saying? I have my completely stock exhaust still on my car, and I'm able to be quiet now. You can still hear the turbo though. You actually hear the turbo a little bit more when I have the valve closed. But yeah, I'll open the valves up once we get out of this area. It'll be cool. But for right now, no sir. Close those valves. Quiet exhaust for the win. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, so we just pulled up to the spot. We're taking photos. We're still going to wait on Damon right now. He's about like 10 minutes out. So we're just going to get like a few solo pics. But let me go ahead and show you guys. Man, this color looking crazy right now. So, yep. All right, yeah, so he's getting them dope angles of the car. Like I tell you guys all the time, like this is the best time to do anything car related. Like, wow, that is crazy. The color looks insane right now. So happy I put the IPL logo back on the car because I feel like it matches the wrap so well. So well. Now that you guys know it's still an IPL, you know what I mean? You see me rolling. No, wait. So Damon just pulled up right now.
The kid just pulled up.
Alright. Yeah, Damon just pulled up. This is so clean. Guys, this is literally infinity goals. Boosted G35, boosted G37, and his actually is built. He has a built motor, so rods, pistons, and all that stuff. So that's why that thing is so fucking fast. I'm telling you guys, I don't think you guys understand. This thing is a rocket. But man, these things look so good. The color. So he actually has deep space, and then I have rushing riptide. So it's a little different, but basically the same. But gosh, but yeah, this spot is so fire. It's about to come out crazy. All right, so we're about to do another angle right now. Dang, bro. Oh my goodness. Best time of the day. All right, so we just changed the angles, went to a different spot. And wow. Let me walk this way, show you guys. Dang. It's on my bit. You guys, check out this angle. This is like the most purple you'll see on a car. That's crazy. I told you, it reminds me of like either Malbec black, so it's like midnight purple kind of. I don't know. But you guys can see the difference. So like Damon's is more bluish purple, and like mine is like really purple with blue. So like that's kind of like the difference. So like his is blue with purple, and mine is purple with blue. So pretty dope. Bro, you guys, I don't think you guys understand how fast this G35 is though. So it's built with pistons and rods, running E85 and single turbo. His turbo, I think he said it's a 52, 58. So it's a quick spooling turbo, and then on top of that, he's running E85, and it's actually, you know, built. So I think we're gonna get a few runs after we leave the meet. I have the GoPro, so hopefully we can get some, so I can show you guys how fast this is. Mind you, my car actually is just on it's only on 91 gas, and that's it. Stock block, everything, and then built motor with E85. So it should be a good run. Damn. Hell yeah. Bro, he just got some clean ass rollers right now.
Should I show him? Should I give him the sneak peek?
You want to give him a sneak peek?
You know,
go ahead,
you know,
go ahead, bro. I'm not even on it. Damn, look. Ooh.
You know,
yes, sir.